Yep.
Hey folks, Frank Hahn here with Profusion Graphics. Today we're going to talk about the window silks that we're putting on over here at the RV factory. Today we're going to be showing you the toy hauler unit, and we'll kind of go over some of the benefits of the window perf and some of the basically nice features that'll add to your coach. For starters, just looking at it, you've got the appeal of carrying that paint design through all of the windows. So you eliminate that solid black window that's going to break up that paint. And then one of the biggest benefits is going to be the sun protection. Basically, we're going to be blocking 50% of the UV rays that are going to be entering into your coach. So when you're talking about heat, that's going to be a big benefit to cutting that heat on the inside of the coach down. One of the other benefits, as you can see just by looking at it, you really can't see into the coach. So you get a privacy feature also added in, and when you open the door, when you're looking out of the coach, you can see that you'll still have the ability to see through. And if we step up inside, of course this is a toy hauler, so we've got a bunk ladder right here when we come in. And we're actually at the RV factory at their facility, so we're inside, but looking out you can actually still see all of the features, or all of the landscape and everything outside the window.